Listen! I want a helicopter, I'm gonna do it!
You can have a helicopter, just let the girl go.
Don't mess with me, man, I want out of here now!
Okay, I can make it happen. Listen, I've got the girl's father here. He wants to talk to her.
This better not be a trick or I'm gonna do it, I swear to God I'm gonna do it!
It's no trick. I'll put him on. Sophia! Sophia! Please can I talk to my daughter?
Stand up, come over here. Stand up, come on. What's the matter?
My dad. Great.
Okay, she's here!
Sophia! Are you there?
Yes, Dad.
Got a shout.
Yes, Dad!
Sophia. Look, I know about the money you took from my safe, and I wanted to tell you that I'm incredibly disappointed in you.
What's all this?
I can't believe I have a thief for a daughter. How could you have so little respect for me and your mother?
I'm sorry, Daddy!
You're sorry. I don't think you know what that means. I want you to know that I'm thinking of having you arrested when this is all over.
That's harsh. You know...
I'm sorry, Daddy, I ain't going to jail for anybody.
Sophia, don't be so stupid.
Daddy, put the police back on! I want out of here, get me a helicopter!
Hang on a sec. What?
Shut up!
Listen, who exactly is the hostage at the moment?
Him!
Right. Can I get back to you in a minute?
Yeah. This is not going to work at all.
I know. So what are we going to do about it?
No idea. That's a nice name.
What?
Your name, Sophia's. It's nice.
Thanks. So, what's your name?
Robert. Who are you?
Who are you?
Hello?
Bloody hell! Okay, I've got hostages! I want out for them, do them both!
Okay, hang on a second. Can somebody please just tell me who's who?
What do you mean? Just get me out of here! I'm taking the hostages with me! I'm serious! I want a helicopter!